Ahoy, shipmates! It's a beautiful evening here in the port of Southampton. A lovely orange sunset. Not a lot in the way of clouds to reflect the light of the sunset, but nonetheless I thought it would be an opportunity to come out. There's no wind. Lovely and mild. An ideal opportunity to catch the HMM Helsinki. That's the first time we've seen the HMM Helsinki. These are amongst the largest container ships currently in the world. These are currently all owned and operated by HMM and are known as the Algeciras class of container ship. I'll just wait for a better position here. Catch the glowing sunset behind the shiny council incinerator for the perfect container ship. Oh, I've got to say that's actually come out really well. Certainly enjoying this new drone, this new camera. I don't think it'll win any awards, that picture, but I'm happy with that one. Now, as I was saying, so we have the HMM Algeciras, the Copenhagen, the Dublin, the Gdansk, the Hamburg, the Helsinki, which we're looking at, and the Le Havre. They are all Algeciras class, manufactured by Daewoo. There's also 5 vessels manufactured by Samsung, which aren't quite as large. They're only 23,820 TEUs rather than 23,964. And the Samsung ships are the Oslo, the Rotterdam, the Stockholm, the St. Petersburg, and the one that I'm really looking forward to seeing, the HMM Southampton. All these vessels were launched this year in 2020, starting in April and going all the way through until the St. Petersburg, which has just been launched 11th of September. They have a gross tonnage of 228,000, a length of 399.9 metres, a beam of 61 metres, and a draft of 16 metres. It's quite a substantial draft. And they are powered by a MAN diesel and turbo. Capacity, as I've said, is 23,964 TEU. As you can see, it's a low tide here in the port. Obviously, the main shipping channel's got enough water to allow the 16-metre draft of the Helsinki. Although one would imagine that the ship doesn't need the full 16 metres, as she doesn't look particularly heavily loaded. And you can see she's being tugged out, but the tugs are just about ready to pull the lines in. A couple of shipmates up there on the bow of the Copenhagen. Go splish splosh into the water. And the evenings are starting to draw in. This is approximately 6:45, and as you can see, the sun was certainly rapidly disappearing. And the advantages for this, of course, is potentially better sunsets for some glorious shots of container ships. I hope this doesn't represent the state of the British economy with very few exports. Although saying that, the HMM Helsinki is off to Le Havre. And what do the French want from us? Marmite, I suspect. Bucket loads of Marmite. Thought I'd try a side-on photograph. And no, I don't think I'll be trying that again. That's just all kinds of wrong. I didn't like it at all. Maybe it needs to be higher looking. I think maybe higher looking down onto it. The fields behind just unbalance the composition. And we just pop around to the stern here. Let's see, make sure it is the Helsinki. Yes, it is the Helsinki. As you can see, it's pretty quiet in the port at the moment. We don't have many cruise ships in at the moment. They're all basking in the sunny Bay of Weymouth or down in Bournemouth Bay. In fact, there's quite a collection in Bournemouth Bay at the moment. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay. I have to say, I think the first photograph was by far the best. As you can see now, she's really opening up those taps. That one MAN engine is powering up. Cruising speed of 18 knots, top speed of 20 knots. Which is pretty fast, 20 knots. Especially considering the volume of cargo on board. Well, the light's beginning to fade. Let's call an end to this one. Until next time, shipmates.